Auto-foldable 3axis phone gimbal. ATOM2 is the world's first auto-foldable 3axis phone gimbal that is pocket size. It senses your action for auto startup and folding, making it a hassle-free phone filming assistant. With a built-in tripod and an extendable handle, ATOM2 is perfect for go-anywhere phone filming, vlogging, live streaming, and selfies. All the 3-axis foldable gimbals on the market require manual operation, which is a little bit troublesome and adds a time-consuming extra step that might make you miss the shot. ATOM2 can instantly sense your opening and closing actions to automatically control the gimbal arm's movements, giving you a more convenient grab and shoot experience. Carrying the ATOM2 around is as easy as placing it in a pocket or bag. Thanks to the ingenious hybrid 3-axis structural design, ATOM2 breaks free from bulky conventional designs and significantly reduces the gimbal size to an incredible degree. Amazing ATOM2 auto-foldable 3-axis stabilizer, built-in tripod, one-click flip gesture controls.